XRP is set to undergo a major transformation. This currency will rise to the top in a matter of minutes, and it will almost certainly happen overnight. Without a doubt, everyone has been anticipating this moment, which is now approaching. In the previous few minutes, XRP has had a difficult time. That is about to change. We'll talk about what happens in this video, as well as a lot more. So make some popcorn and stay away from the dial button. Let's get this party started, shall we? Hello there, and welcome to the world of millionaire thinking. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and switch on alerts to receive notifications when new videos are released. Welcome back to my money side family. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button. We're getting there, and XRP is about to make us millions of dollars. This coin will soar to the moon the moment the SEC case is resolved. Jeremy Hogan is a well-known lawyer who has been following the XRP vs. He believes that we are nearing the end of the lawsuit because both sides are likely working on a settlement that will be reached soon. This tweet by Baba Kugs was another one that attracted our attention. Who is ready to see a bunch of people? Reads the tweet. A. Act as if they knew Riddlers were real. B. Act as if they've had XRP all along. C. Exaggerate the size of their XRP bag. Enjoy the show. You'll enjoy what follows. Many people are currently waiting for a positive trend to develop before they can even consider trading. That would not be the case. You will have already lost a significant amount of money by waiting for a positive trend to emerge before investing. Now is the greatest time to begin trading. Before the currency becomes bullish, it is still in its early phases. Unfortunately, as this coin begins to rise in value, many people will claim to be Ripplers who have believed in the coin since its inception. Some of them will even pretend to have XRP when, in reality, they only got in when the coin began to rise in value. XRP is the money of the century. As evidenced by numerous criteria, Ripple has formed alliances with influential players from around the world. The firm goes above and above to ensure that they are always operating within the law's parameters. However, the SEC appears to have a hidden motive, which is why this court case was ludicrous from the start. We all believe the SEC is attempting to do something we haven't yet uncovered. That is why they refuse to share the paperwork describing how they got to the conclusion that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. In any case, Ripple hasn't slowed down for anyone, and the company's future remains secure. Ripple even published a recent market report with this in mind. Ripple releases the quarterly XRP markets report to voluntarily provide transparency and regular updates on the company's views on the state of crypto, including the XRP market, such as quarterly sales updates, relevant XRP-related announcements, and commentary on previous quarter market developments. Ripple, as an XRP investor, believes that proactive communication and openness are essential components of being a responsible stakeholder. Furthermore, Ripple encourages others in the industry to cultivate open communication, build trust, and elevate the bar across the board. There were other incidents reported in Q2 that contributed to market volatility, including ransomware attacks, environmental worries, Elon Musk statements, and regulatory scrutiny, to name a few. The crypto market capitalization increased significantly in the second quarter of 2021, followed by a steady decline. The overall crypto market valuation surged 15-fold during the longer market period, which lasted 396 days, February 2020 to April 2021. Prices, however, began to fall on April 22 and finally fell by more than 20%. Some countries have taken broad measures favoring or opposing the usage of cryptocurrencies. On the one hand, El Salvador became the first country to approve legislation making Bitcoin legal tender. Chinese regulators, on the other hand, are said to have shut down mining operations across the country due to environmental concerns, as well as tightening limits on financial institutions providing cryptocurrency-related services. As a result of these steps, hash rate has decreased and bearish sentiment has increased. Although it's still debatable if price follows hash rate or hash rate follows price, there is a link between the two. During the most recent bear market, Bitcoin's hash rate fell by half from its highs, which was connected with a decline in Bitcoin price. Finally, rising inflation fears had an impact on markets. The Consumer Price Index in the United States jumped 5.4% in June, the highest monthly advance since August 2008. Not only that, but there's more. Ripple also gave its audience an update on what's going on in the courtroom right now, as well as the current level of regulatory clarity. According to Ripple, the UK Financial Conduct Authority extended the end date of a temporary licensing framework for existing crypto firms to March 2022 last quarter. The extension permits crypto companies to continue operating while the regulator evaluates and approves their applications. Similarly, in Singapore, some big crypto players have been operating under a grace period while license applications are reviewed through the Monetary Authority of Singapore under a clear licensing structure. Meanwhile, many in the United States have emphasized the importance of consumer protection and clarity in order to promote healthy markets. But regulators have failed to provide clear guidance to market players as the popularity of cryptocurrencies has grown. The matter is currently in the discovery phase, which entails exchanging information, such as papers, and taking deposition testimony. And expert discovery is set to end on October 15, 2021. After fact discovery is finished on August 31, 2021. Ripple opposed the SEC request to extend the timelines by 60 days, and it will continue to do everything it can to move the matter along as quickly as possible. For the third time, the court agreed that Ripple has a right to some internal SEC papers. The SEC request for access to Ripple's private discussions with its counsel was refused by the court. Ripple's fair notice defense should be focused on the SEC failure to provide fair notice to the market about the Commission's state of mind as to whether XRP qualified as a security. According to the court, the full opinion of the judge can be viewed here. The future of XRP and tokenization is also discussed in this article. The increasing usage of digital assets to represent ownership of assets on a blockchain, also known as tokenization, is changing how people buy, sell, track, and manage assets of all kinds, from art and real estate to intellectual property, equities, and supply chain items. According to Ripple, the XRP ledger was created with a decentralized exchange and qualities to manage all forms of currencies or assets efficiently, sustainably, and at minimal cost. With over 5,000 tokens issued since its launch, Ripple has invested in Mintable, an NFT marketplace that allows users to create, purchase, and sell digital things using fiat or cryptocurrency in a long-term. NFT have the ability to accelerate the creative economy, inspire new business models, and expand access to the modern financial system. The gaming business has a head start on the competition. Consumers will spend $54 billion on virtual products to possess, trade, and sell in 2020 alone, and this is only the beginning. Mintable's plans for XRP ledger integration are paving the path for mass crypto adoption by allowing billions of NFT to be produced, acquired, and transferred in a sustainable and cost-effective manner. Ripple X has proposed functionality that would give greater NFT support on the XRP ledger at a reduced cost, as well as allow developers to use its decentralized exchange's auction capabilities. Ripple announced the appointment of Cindy Young as Managing Director of Europe. As Europe continues to be a significant market, Europe accounts for a quarter of Ripple's existing consumers, and European ODL transactions have grown by 250% year-to-date compared to 2020, accounting for more than 40% of all ODL transactions. Furthermore, Nevada's usage of ODL for fast, cross-border payments centered on remittances between Australia and the Philippines through the country's largest non-bank, Filipino-owned remittance service provider, iRemit, continues to trend well in a pack. This coin's future is etched in stone, and no one, not even the SEC, will be able to stop it from reaching the top. As a result, this is your chance to make over $1 million from the crypto market using XRP. So, buy up on XRP and wait for the bullish trend to begin. Let's look at the technical people now. We're looking at things from a daily standpoint. With the launch of the first ever live ODL in Japan, Ripple is expanding its popular on-demand liquidity services in the Asia-Pacific area. Ripple's largest remittance market is Japan, and its RippleNet technology is widely used in the country. The ODL services are critical to RippleNet adoption because they enable low-cost, quicker cross-border transactions leveraging XRP liquidity. Ripple is aiming for a $1.8 billion remittance corridor in the Philippines, because every year, overseas nationals use traditional foreign exchange and money transfer services to send money back home. Ripple is now fighting a crucial lawsuit launched by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that has impeded its business in the United States, but it continues to establish new relationships throughout the Asia-Pacific region. Particularly in Japan, XRP is moving in an upward channel on a logarithmic daily chart. The price is currently approaching the resistance zone. When 80 cents is broken and the price is consolidated above, more growth is likely. Guys, trade with caution. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All of the videos on this channel are solely for amusement. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion about it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe using the links below. Turn on alerts to be notified whenever we publish new great stuff. In the following video, we'll see you